So this is the location where the wire coming from the control panel is going to interrupt this circuit here. So normally this yellow wire is a continuous wire, and so what we've done here is we have cut it in half and we have stripped it back and wire netted each end of our control wire in here, so that instead of it getting continuous power like normal if it was an uncut wire, this heater does not come on until the switch over there at the control panel closes and allowing the power to flow through from one side to the other, and then that's going to fire up the heater. So this is the proper way of adapting that control wire to the heater, and it's down inside this little control box right here.